now I'm going to introduce you to Christina Colby, who's going to come on stage and showcase innovation within the Guidewire community. Please welcome Christina.
Thanks, Julie. Well, following Super Bowl tickets, I think that's a pretty tough act to follow. I don't even follow American football myself, and yet I would love to actually go. But I'm here today to talk about some great things that our community, customers and partners alike, are doing to answer the call to innovate. One example that I'd like to start with is MapFree, who are using Guidewire solutions to drive operational efficiency and create some exceptional customer experiences. So let's see what they're doing.
The main trends that we see are digitization and the big impact from the use of data, and this is transforming very much our industry. Our journey with Guidewire in our Livo project, we focused on personal lines. The project went live in May 2020, right in the middle of the pandemic. The difference is very noticeable for both our customers and our independent agents. We have sped up many of the processes from launching new products, improving our filings, modifying underwriting rules, trying to automate to make things as simple and as automated as we can. When we were initiating the rollout, we made the decision to launch another project to add to the commercial lines business to this big transformation. This evolution towards the cloud is clear, is something that needs to happen. The reasons for that are, first, the availability of new functionality in the cloud version for commercial lines, and especially the idea of handling this project as a pioneer for what we see is our future.
As you heard in the video, MapFree is only starting their journey on Guidewire Cloud, so we can't wait to see the additional value that they'll unlock on cloud. Many of you are trailblazers, like American Family, a long-standing Guidewire customer who is using technology as a catalyst for business change. I'm excited to introduce Chad Christensen, American Family's Enterprise Platform Director, who are using Guidewire Cloud to really enable their enterprise. Please join me in welcoming Chad to the stage. Chad, thank you so much for being here. It's very good to see you.
Thank you for having me.
So if you don't mind, get us started by telling us a little bit about what you've been up to at American Family.
Yeah, over the past several years, our enterprise has acquired a handful of brands that has created a wide range of products for our customers across multiple channels. And our technology team is closely partnering with our business to create operational efficiencies across the enterprise.
That's fantastic. And so now we've just taken you live, the system itself, on Policy Center and on Guidewire Cloud. And I know you're starting the business rollout. Is that right? And that's the next stage?
Yep, that is correct. So we've created a policy platform with Policy Center on the cloud at its core. We started with common products across the enterprise. And our goal has always been to be the preferred vendor of choice for the enterprise by leveraging economies of scale and driving down expenses. And this is allowing us to add new capabilities for the business, and those capabilities will catapult our brands.
That's excellent. I love that. Catapulting your brands. I think that's terrific. So tell us what's next for you?
Yeah, we'll continue to grow the platform by adding new capabilities, including state-specific features that we can roll out to our existing states.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for being here. We're really excited, of course, to be your partner and to work with you in this. And we offer our thanks and our congratulations to you and to the entire American Family team for all of the great work that you've been doing. And we can't wait to work with you in all of the next stages.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right. Much of your innovation is enabled and accelerated thanks to our numerous partners that are part of our Extensive Partner Connect program, which is the largest partner ecosystem in the industry, with more than 140 solution partners for carriers to access. And I think, are there maybe a couple of partners in the room here? It's such a quiet group. Are there any partners? Thank you. Excellent. Fantastic. I wanted to highlight just a few today. One in particular, One Inc. provides access to multiple payment providers, handling both claims disbursements as well as premium payments. And as you can expect, those create phenomenal experiences for your customers to be able to choose the types of transactions that they would like to complete, knowing that they are secure and will meet their exact needs in that moment. FRIS provides end-to-end fraud insights. So not only are with fraud insights that are visible with risk scoring during claim handling, but also thinking about detection and risk assessment and underwriting. Celonis is one of our newest partners, and they have the ability to help to extend claims autopilot. Using that to be able to identify real-time process insights and identify bottlenecks. And they do that presenting them in these phenomenal dashboards, so you can really pinpoint the opportunities that you have to drive significant improvement within your claims processes. Blue Prism is another one of our newest partners. They are a leader in robotics process automation, and in some cases have actually enabled first notice of loss 15 times faster through the use of RPA. And not only is speed a great benefit, but also they've helped to significantly reduce manual errors. And what that allows is for your claim handlers to shift their focus to really spend time on the moments that matter most for your claimants. With Imburse, I wanted to give them a particularly special shout out because like many of you who are watching the live stream, they weren't able to actually travel here from overseas to be here. And so I wanted to say hello to everyone who's joining us remotely. Imburse helps through their global payments ecosystem for both collections and payments and gives access to multiple vendors almost instantaneously. Shift for fraud detection provides AI-native SaaS solutions, leveraging data science and deep insurance expertise throughout the policy lifecycle to really proactively detect fraud. And we're going even farther and faster with the Guidewire ecosystem. So I'm happy to introduce the Insurtech Vanguard program. This is an expanded circle beyond Partner Connect. It's something that we introduced last week as a way for you to be able to explore new areas of Insurtech innovation. And actually, since we announced this last week, we've had an additional 30+ Insurtechs approach us expressing interest to join the program. I wanted to share a few of those examples today. MakeYouSafe provides leading connected worker technology and workforce wearables to really promote safety culture and avoid commercial lines risk. Roost provides property telematics with commercial and residential smart sensors that help to monitor water leak, freeze, smoke detection, and really help to identify when an incident occurs and hopefully even to avoid the losses associated with it. Attestive combats digital photo and media fraud throughout the policy lifecycle with their technologies around deep fake identification. Because as we continue to push with more and more self-service and automation, that also means the increased risk of bad actors. These are just a few examples of the many different types of categories that we will explore through the Insurtech Vanguard program. So if there are particular types of category that you would like us to look into, we would welcome your feedback. Our industry-leading, ever-evolving ecosystem helps you to make the most out of your Guidewire investments. And the fastest way to get access to those innovations is through Marketplace, where we have more than 400 partner apps, Guidewire accelerators, and assets like Guidewire Go, which you heard about from Amy earlier. So we invite you, please go there and find what your next innovation will be.